Hello there, welcome to another video Jaguar tutorial where we'll be showing you how to easily create intro and outro videos. So first off, you'll have to log into your account, which will bring you to the main page, and then you'll go to Template Bank. And now the way the Template Bank works is whatever videos or templates that you've chosen recently, so if I go back into Facebook, they will appear here. So you can see I've been already doing some intro and outro videos, so that's why these ones are listed on my first page. So yours might be listed in different areas, so we'll write that below in a blog post of where you might find these video templates in your view. So just mind you that they are there. You just might have to like find them and do some digging through the pages. But to get started, we just went to Template Bank, went to Facebook, and you can see that there's some intro and outro templates right here. There's the alphabet logo template, and you can just use that. Do that. I'm gonna go through them kind of quick, so. So there's that one. There's a jumping and you can see there's a few on here, and mind you, you can change the background music for any of those templates. There's another one down here. You can see those ones. We'll go through the other pages here just to see if there's some more in here. Here's a colorful rings one, which is always engaging. So let's see that. And yeah, so that should be all of them right here. So let's just go through one of these. So say you wanted to do, let's see, um, actually, maybe I should go through, before I go into diving into one of them, I'll go through the other ones first so we can just see all of them. So go to YouTube. So here we go, some more intro and outros. And that's called glitch. So that happened on purpose. It's a different, there's a bunch of different ones on here. Numerous types of businesses and whatever you're trying to, convey in your messaging. So there's simple ones.
For launch. 3, 2, 1.
Just have a slideshow, but you kind of get the idea with these ones up here. And like I said, they'll probably be in different locations, like different pages for your view. It's just that I've been using some of these in my own personal projects, so that's why they're on the first page. But let's see if we can find any more in this category. And this is the YouTube category. Here's another one. So there's a lot of different intro and outros to choose from. Clearly, let's see if there's anything else. Okay, so that's all for there. And I believe, let's go back to Template Bank. LinkedIn has some as well. You can see up here. There's another one. Yeah, you get the idea. There's a lot of different intro and outro templates in here. So, and these are the most easiest templates to edit actually. So even if we decide, that one's just regular text. So that's one difference. There's some like that that are just text, and then there's others that actually you can use your logo. Next one as well. So, another text form. That's pretty cool too. So yeah, you get the idea. So let's create video and give it a name up here for the project. So say demo intro for video. And then basically all you have to do is select your logo. So, as in other videos, I mentioned, you try to keep any image or video clip you upload here, but in this case, it'll be an image since it's a logo. but just keep it around the recommended size. So I have one already here. I'll just click that and click choose. So you can see the logo is fitting inside the box very well, and that's one way you'll know it's fine. It's going to show up good. So click next, and here's where you can obviously change out the music. The one that came on the track was this. And it's fine for, demo purposes. But of course, you can go through all these ones. It's a huge list all the way down. So a lot of different tracks you can choose from, or alternatively, you can always go over here and upload your own audio track. So for now, let's just, we're going to keep the demo one, so next, and that's it. You just start rendering, and it will quickly, see it's already rendering now, it'll quickly make the intro outro video, and it'll be back in your projects tab before you know it. So let's go back to the template bank, and let's go to YouTube here. Particle dance one. Let's do this one really quick as well. And actually, since this is a darker background, we might need to upload a lighter logo. So glad I picked this one. So let's go here, and instead of, this is in my library already uploaded, go to browse, and here's a light version of the logo. So you can see this is 200 width. So this one's, I think, really 224 width. So it's still underneath that, which should work. You can choose it. Yeah, it's still, you'll see it resizes and fits it in there perfectly. Let's give this a name. And for this, we wanted to change the beat. So let's just pick that one just for, you can change it up and see what happens. So that's all you have to do. Click render. So, and I might have messed that one up too, the one we just did. See, it's already completed, but I might need to put the light logo in there. So yeah, you see, that's my mistake. So that's good there. So as of for right now, that's a good example. So we can click the pencil button, and we'll go back in here, and let's switch that out with the light version. So look, this is a great learning example. This is why you should always have a light version and a dark version of your logo. So let's go back to the editor. Next, and start rendering. So those now are going to, they're both already rendering, so it's going to be done before you know it. Let's go back to the template bank. And so another thing that we'll mention, and we can go into more detail in another video, but once you finish making these intro and outro videos, you're gonna, the next step is obviously to connect them into the before and after of the main video that you made. So how to do that, you just go over to this icon here, it's the vid remaker. So you'll go there, and the one here called video merge. So this is what you're going to do. You'll say start now, and then you'll choose the files. So you'll choose the intro, outro video, and it'll go here. You'll choose the main video, go in the middle, and then you'll also choose the same intro and outro, or a different outro. You want to use one for an intro, one for an outro. So you can either use the same one as the beginning to match the end, or you can have a totally different outro. And it's your choice, but we can go into that later. I don't have the files on me right now to do this, so just go back to the projects, and okay, this one's done, it says, and let's see. So that was simple, 5 second intro video or outro video, whatever you want to use it for. But yeah, so that's done. Let's go to template bank and see if we can make another quick one really fast. Um, Let's see what that looks like. Green and yellow aren't really my colors, but you know, it could work for somebody else who has that into their logo. I'm gonna move into outfit 3. We'll select the white logo again, just because it's another dark background video. We will click next. We'll just keep that music and then start rendering. Okay, so it looks like this one's done as well. Let's check that out. So yeah, another simple intro outro video. We can make this might be a little longer tutorial video than I planned. I'm sitting here playing around with this now. Want to make more videos just because it's very addicting. It's like so easy to make videos with the software. So hope you guys have the same problem as I do. Sometimes you never want to stop making videos with this. But for another one, let's go into LinkedIn and so this one combines, looks like a logo and also a place to put your website, domain, or any other text you want. So this one's smaller, so 186 by 186. Let's see if I can just use the the Jaguar head instead of the wording underneath. It looks like that's going to fit. And if it's smaller, which it looks like it might be, but we'll go render it and see what comes out. You can always resize it closer to that. So this one's 200 width, so it's a little bit bigger than that. And we can try to see what happens, but that's why you can always go back and edit them and resize if you don't have the exact size already on you. But there's the domain there. Let's label this. Or this was, let's see, I guess that's colors there. I wasn't really paying attention to how the demo colors were, but let's just leave it for now, just to see. I'll leave that for now too. And, oh, I guess the colors are that. Okay, let's see. Try that. So you can see this is very, trial and error for how these videos look, and they render pretty quick, so it's easy to always go back in there and try to edit them and see what else comes up. But I will pause the video for now until these are done rendering, and I'll return in a second. So we're back here. You can see this one's done rendering. This is the one where I didn't use the image that was correctly sized. So you can see the logo is just a little bit outside of the circle, which, like I said, we can just go back and re-edit. So, just you got to follow those guidelines to a T if you really want to make sure everything goes, smoothly. So I'll go back in there later and do that. But hope you got the general idea of how to make intro and outro videos with Video Jaguar. It's extremely easy, and it doesn't really require that much skill at all. You just gotta follow those image guidelines. So we'll be doing another video here shortly, going in depth of how to combine these intro outro videos with the video you also created with Video Jaguar. using the vid remaker tool that I showed you earlier. But until then, just keep creating some good videos and tag us on social media so we can see what your projects are. Thank you very much.